Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly link your WordPress menu items over to the Elementor plugin sections for the site builder using the plugin. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. And as you guys can see, here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we want to get access to the site builder, and there are a couple of ways to get there. You guys could either click on Edit Site right under Quick Links, or click on Appearance and go to Editor, or simply selecting the page that you want to edit under All Pages and clicking on the ellipses to edit the page. So from here, here's what the site builder will look like, and there are actually so many section widgets or widget types that you can add to your website to integrate your WordPress items over to Elementor. So to show you guys what I mean, let's actually create a new container here. So actually let's just use this one. So the one below Google Maps. So if you guys type menu, the one natively supported by WordPress, or I should say the Elementor, is the menu anchor. So we're going to drag this along here, and you guys will see that here we get to input the ID of each of our products or simply add them by tag. But in my case, I don't actually have any products registered to my WordPress store or website, so it wouldn't work. However, there are a couple ways that you guys can go about doing this using the Elementor Kit plugin, which I'll show you right now. If you keep scrolling down here, you'll see that under Elementor add-on elements, there are a couple of widgets that you can add to actually make this possible. So there's the price table, the post list, there's the data table. So either way is really fine. But as you guys can see, there's so many ways to go about adding this to your website. Let's actually delete this real quick. So there's a navigation menu as well, but I don't think that's the right one. There's Woo products. I believe that one's paid. There's also the pricing table, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.